Hey pretty girl, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate a photo slate. The first thing you need to do is preheat your heat press to 400 degrees and 300 seconds. If you notice, mine says 401 because for some reason, whenever I put it at 400 degrees, the temperature never stays right. So then you're going to get your butcher paper, lay it on your heat press, get your photo slate and your photo. But I always clean my photo slate with an alcohol pad before I put the picture on. And if you're wondering how wide and long to measure your picture, on the side of the photo slate box, there are measurements on the side, that's dimensions on the side that tell you how wide and long to measure it. I really could have made my picture a little bit longer and wider. But after that, you're gonna lay your picture face down, put heat tape all around the photo slate, and then you're gonna put butcher paper on top of that. You're gonna press for those 300 seconds. And voila! Do you see that ink release? That's that crafting business paper, y'all. That's that crafting business paper, y'all. This was the very first thing I ever used crafting business paper on. And when I tell you, I am never going back to A-Sub paper. Look at them colors. Those colors are popping. Yes. And no, I am not a Crafting Besties affiliate. I just happened to get their paper because they had a sale. So I got their paper. And those colors are popping. Oh, look at them colors. They are popping. I definitely could have made it a little bit wider. But those colors are popping. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And follow me on TikTok, Pretty Girl Align. Also, I have a t-shirt course called T-Shirts for Beginners. So if you want to learn how to make t-shirts, whether it's vinyl t-shirts, how to do print on demand, or how to use screen prints, sign up for my T-Shirts for Beginners course. Sign up for my T-Shirts for Beginners course. All of these shirts that you see in this video, I made. All the hoodies, I made them. I have over 5 years experience making T-shirts, and I've made over $14,000 in 1 year making T-shirts. You can do the same. Let me teach you how. It's easier than you think. So go over to my website, prettygirlalign.com, sign up for my T-Shirts for Beginners course. And if you sign up today and you at checkout, I want you to put in code YouTube. I'm about to say TikTok. Use code YouTube to get a free one-on-one class with me. So if you sign up for for the T-Shirts for Beginners course today, you can get a free one-on-one with me, and we can do hands-on via Zoom to make sure that you know what you're doing. Y'all see that? Y'all see my calendar that's just from August to December. You can do this as well.